History is proof, whenever this giant wakes up, the entire tech industry loses its sleep. People said its era was over, but guess what? A lion's roar never gets old. Today, we aren't just talking about another random gadget. We are talking about the absolute storm that is returning to obliterate the smartphone world. Behold, the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G. We're talking a massive 9500 mAh battery, a camera system that makes DSLRs look like toys, and performance so insane it would make a supercomputer blush. In this video, we aren't just reviewing a phone, we are decoding a literal glitch in the matrix. Fasten your seatbelts, guys, because this review is going to blow your mind. Let's dive straight in. Design and display. Alright, let's talk display and design. Have you ever seen a Nokia look this clean? The design is an absolute flex. The back panel features a premium carbon fiber finish that makes it feel like a tank wrapped in a tuxedo. You get these gorgeous golden accents around the frame and precision-etched patterns on the edges that give off pure royal vibes. And for the shutterbigs out there, check out that massive circular camera module co-engineered with Zeiss optics housing a giant 1-inch sensor. It looks less like a phone and more like a piece of art. It's an absolute game changer. Drop a comment below right now, what do you think of this look? Now, let's flip it over to where the magic happens, the display. We are looking at a gorgeous 6.85-inch 2K Plus Super AMOLED panel with a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate. Seriously, scrolling on this thing feels like running your fingers through pure silk. For protection, it's rocking Corning Gorilla Glass armor too, so yeah, your keys won't stand a chance against it. The peak brightness is so high that even under the blinding midday sun, everything looks crystal clear. This display doesn't just show colors, it makes you feel them, thanks to HDR10 Plus support that turns every Netflix movie into a literal cinematic experience. Camera segment. Next up, let's talk about the department that is causing absolute panic among competitors, the quad camera setup. On the back, you're getting 4 monstrous lenses. Leading the charge is a 300 megapixel pure view primary sensor that captures night shots like it's broad daylight. Nokia's pixel binning tech is doing some serious voodoo magic here. The sheer amount of detail you get after image processing is mind-boggling. Accompanying that beast is a 64 megapixel ultra-wide, a 12 megapixel telephoto, and an 8 megapixel depth sensor. Up front, your selfie game is covered by a 50 megapixel camera that captures every single detail so perfectly, you'll be staring at your own photos all day. Whether you're vlogging on the go or shooting cinematic portraits, this camera will never let you down. Plus, the built-in AI stabilization makes your videos so buttery smooth, you can ditch your professional gimbal entirely. Performance. Now, let's look under the hood at what runs this beast, the performance. It features the world's latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor. Built on a cutting-edge 2nm architecture, this chipset is so ridiculously powerful that you can open 50 apps at once, render 4K video, or crush heavy mobile games on maxed-out settings and the phone won't even stutter, let alone overheat. With up to 16 GB of RAM and a whopping 1 TB of storage, this phone is easily future-proofed for the next 5 years. Nokia has also packed an advanced vapor cooling system inside to keep things chilly even during marathon gaming sessions. On the software side, it's a total dream. You get a completely clean, bloatware-free, zero-ads stock Android 16 experience. It's fast, fluid, and absolutely beautiful. Battery life. And now for the feature that makes this phone a literal cheat code, the battery. Look, today's flagship phones start crying for a charger at 5000 mAh. But Nokia, they went ahead and dropped a colossal 9500 mAh battery inside this thing. You can charge this up and literally forget your charger for 2 whole days. And when you finally do need juice, the 120-watt super fast charging will top it up in the time it takes you to grab a cup of coffee. Oh, and it features reverse wireless charging too, so you can literally juice up your friend's dying iPhones. Price and release date. Finally, let's talk about the damage to your wallet and when you can get it. Rumors suggest Nokia is aiming for a killer price point between $850 to $900, which, let's be real, is an absolute steal for these specs. Word on the street is that this beast is ready to drop around November or December 2026. Not only is this phone heavy on features, but the build quality brings back that legendary, indestructible Nokia tank vibe. So, are you guys ready for this absolute beast? What do you think of Nokia's wild comeback? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.